Hi dudes, it's me Yadu back with a brand new video on the channel, and today we have a new application for YouTubers or YouTube creators, the Tubebuddy, which is available for the Windows, which is now available for the Android too. So today in this video we'll be reviewing this application. So without wasting any more time, let's get started to the video. Once you have installed and launched your application, as you guys can see, it takes a time to load for the first time. So once you have opened, it says sign in with Google. So in sign in with Google, at this screen you have to click on the sign in with Google button on the screen. So once when you tap on it, it asks for authentication of your Google account. So just log in using your browser. It directly to you the browser, so that it asks for your information. Log into the account which you have authorized, the Tubebuddy, and once you have logged in, it takes a few steps, you will get to know, and open the Tubebuddy account back. Now it asks you to select the channel, though I'll be selecting my YouTube channel, Yadu, and it directly logs in and get to your channel. Now sometimes it also asks for double authentication, so that you guys to do it for a couple of times. Now once we have loaded in our YouTube channel, as you guys can see, this shows you the live subscriber count here with almost 132 subscribers. Thank you so much for the 2 subscribers, 132 subscribers. Make sure you guys subscribe and press that bell icon for the future videos. So as you guys can see, it shows you the recent uploads here in the menu. Also it also gives you milestones, the latest comments, the recent comments. Here you can instantly reply to them directly in the Tubebuddy application. Also this comes with a packet of all the features which was available in the computer itself. I mean the milestone, the tag explorer, the topic planner, the canned responses, and other kind of stuffs, all at the thumbs itself. So it is also ensures the 5 steps verification, that is the title length, tags length, sharing, and other, all in your thumbs itself on your smartphone. So I think this is the one of the ideal application for a YouTube creator who is trying to manage all his YouTube works in a pack, all in his mobile phone. I think you found this video helpful. I guess this application is an best and ideal one for you. So let me know in the comment section down below how do you feel about this video and which application you use to manage all your YouTube things. So thank you so much for watching, and as always I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, press that subscribe button followed by the bell icon so you don't miss anything once when I upload a new video.